Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, check simple connectivity to resolve waiting for Wi-Fi quickly and reliably. Toggle Wi-Fi off and then on to re-establish a fresh connection with your router. If that fails, enable airplane mode for 10 seconds and then disable it to reset cellular and wireless radios. Next, open Drive and try a small file upload to test connection behavior. Finally, confirm your Android or iPhone allows background data for Drive, so uploads can continue during app backgrounding. Now inspect Google Drive internal settings to remove Wi-Fi only limits and permissions blocks. Open Drive settings and look for an option restricting uploads to Wi-Fi and disable it when appropriate. Then open your phone settings and grant Drive permission to use cellular data and background activity. Also disable any battery optimization or low power restrictions that might pause or throttle Drive processes. Test a small photo upload after each change to confirm the waiting for Wi-Fi message clears. If settings changes fail, proceed with cache clearing and reinstall to remove corrupted state. On Android, clear Google Drive cache and app data from App Info and then reboot the device. On iPhone, offload or delete Drive and reinstall from the App Store to refresh the app binary. Sign out of your Google account and sign back in to refresh authentication and sync tokens if issues persist. Finally, report persistent problems to Google Support with device model and Android or iOS version details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.